VEVOR sent me this commercial microwave oven and asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's get out of the box and take a look. So here's a microwave all out of the box. You'll notice right off the bat, all stainless construction. The front, the sides, the bottom and the back, all stainless construction. It's going to be very durable in a commercial environment, which is what this is aimed at. Even the interior, completely stainless through all the sides here, the back and the bottom. The only piece that has any plastics really is in the inside of the door, which is easier to get at to clean. You got a couple shelves here, so if you had trays that could slide in, they could take advantage of that. It's got light inside, well lit inside to see your food. Even has some safeties. If you try to turn it on without any food in there, it'll automatically error out. I'll show you that. Lots of settings, built-ins for defrost, medium, ability to set your own programs, double the time, stop and start. And then if you want to adjust the power level, you can just press power and it'll cycle through some common power settings to get you quickly up and running. And let me just reset that. You can lock the key pad by pressing and holding on the stop button, and you'll get that key there. Press and hold again, and then the lock will be removed. And in order to start, you just press a number, and that'll indicate like 30 seconds if you just press the 3 and hit start. I'll show you that without any food in there and how it has a safety for you. I'm going to just set 3 and start. It detects that with an infrared system. Automatically went to error. I can hit stop here. Might be able to still hear that fan going. Every interaction of the device will run the fan to clear the air. This is good in commercial environments, so if someone's cooking something that's really smelly, after they've left, they've got their food, it's done, it's still going to run through that cycle to get the air out of there and clear it out for the next user of the microwave. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and set up some soup in here. Just going to warm it up for about 30 seconds. It's going to kick back in. See the timer counting down and that the microwave is operating. It's pretty quiet. The fan is still blowing. Like I said, keeping that suitable for all your users of this microwave. This is about a 0.9 of a cubic feet, so it's just under that size. It's a standard size, but it's not the tiny ones you might get in a dorm room or an apartment. Definitely got a more capacity than those. And yeah, we got my soup here. It's nice and warmed up, ready to go. So overall, yeah, really impressed. Really good quality. I like the thoughtful functions about running the fan, ability to lock, sense whether there's food or not. And overall, this is a solid microwave from VEVOR. Hope that helps. Have a great day.